Moo! Hey there! Maurice the cow here. Children will enjoy learning how to treat the environment right and work towards having a future that is bright when you support this great project on FunWritings.com. Check out the great reviews and order the ebooks and Fiverr gigs you will like. Soon, plastic pollution and deforestation will be a thing of the past.